Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a white or black background in Instagram. So you can do it in your stories. Okay. I'm going to select a photo here. I'm going to select this one, like the before I finished everything. And I'm going to type in a dot. And if you want to use the white overlay, use this one. If not, you can also select this one for the black overlay. And I'm just going to enlarge it with my fingers. I don't know how else to describe it. Zoom it in, pinch it in, select stickers, go and select frames or photos. It's up to you. Going to select frames. I'm going to select this. Done, and it creates this really cool, like, deep background. Here, I'll show you like what it looks like with the white one. This is the white overlay one, and you can add in like the photo on top. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.